All right, this personal break is for Richard. I have his 2020 Panini Origins Football Hobby Box. Let's get into it. Here we go. From the Jags, Leonard Fournette. Now Buccaneer Super Bowl champion. From the Broncos, Von Miller. All right, rookie wideout from the Raiders. Henry Ruggs III, out of 99, 3-color patch. Yes, there is a redemption. You are set to receive a 2020 Panini Origins Rookie Autographs J.K. Dobbins. Another rookie wideout from the Broncos, K.J. Hamler. Oh, who knows how long it's going to be. Those redemption cards are weird. I've heard some people getting their cards within a month. Other people, it's been over a year. Really, 5 months. All right, let's finish off some numbered base cards. Cooper Kupp out of 299. And we'll finish off with a Aaron Jones out of 99. All right, Richard, there's your break. You got some nice rookies throughout. We're all set for a big sophomore season. No problem. Happy to do it.